Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Black color. The next one is blue color. And now we use red color. The next one is yellow color. Green color. The last one is yellow ochre color. Kids, now start coloring. First we use black color and draw the letter of A. Kids, the next one is B. Now we draw C. The next one is D, and now we use blue color. The next one is E. Now we draw numbers. Blue color. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we use red color and draw 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5. Kids, the next one is shapes. First we use red color and draw the shape of square. The next one is circle, and now we use yellow color. Now we use green color and draw triangle. The next one is heart. Now we use yellow ochre color. The next one is star. Now we use blue color. the shape of star. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.